and Community Center, I would like to wish you all Eid Mubarak. Thank you all for joining us during Eid prayer and during the Eid party. We have seen many people we haven't seen for years. You made our day. Thank you to our amazing teams of volunteers, to the young and old brothers and sisters. They made this possible. Spend days and nights planning and organizing such a beautiful event for all in the community. We couldn't have done it without you. JAZKUM Allah khair. Alhamdulillah, the turnout was way beyond our expectations. We promise you to continue to host these great events for our community and our families. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless you, your families, your loved ones, bring joy and happiness to your Eid always. Ameen, ameen, ameen.